What's up, YouTube? Coming down right here, showing you the container boys. We got TEMU 1371948. We got it on our back. Driving a Volvo D13. We got our parking brake and our trailer air supply. We got our 10-speed Eden Fuller transmission. That gauge is your primary and your secondary air pressure gauges. Empty fuel, there's no electricity right now. Our speedometer reads from 20 to 80. Our RPM gauge reads 5 to 30. Our oil pressure gauge reads from 0 to 120. And our water coolant temperature ranges from 130 to 250. This is what it looks like inside the cab. We got clutch, brake, accelerator. Let me know if you guys want more content of inside the truck. We got a tension SRS. We got exhaust after treatment system information. That's the Eden Fuller transmission. Very to your top left, you got your reverse, bottom, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Split her up, and you get to your 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then once you go back, once you're at 10, you could downshift. You accelerate. When you're downshifting to 9th gear, you must be at 45 miles per hour. About right there. About 45 miles per hour. You accelerate, take out of 10th, accelerate, and go into 9th. And that's how you downshift in the Eden Fuller transmission. This is a Volvo D13 2010. Day cab. As you can see, I don't have a sleeper, but we're getting unloaded, so we're just waiting. See you next time.